Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2015 Ninja 650 ABS sport bike. Twin cylinder, fuel injected, liquid cooled. She's got the tall smoke windscreen, only 972 miles. Did I mention that? This bike's in showroom condition. Only $64.99. Come on by, make your Ninja 650 sport bike dreams come true with this beautiful showroom condition bike. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.